Yo, got a boiler here, seen much better days, old school glowworm. And you can see he's hidden behind this box in here. I don't know what was going on, but clearly boiler was installed and then they put all this boxing around it. So here you can see I'm just trying to look for the flue. You see it goes above this bathroom here, all the way across. And then I believe it goes into the bedroom as well. Yes, above the cupboard. And you see that leak? I'm not sure if that's due to spillage from the flue. Probably not. But it goes all the way through here and then out to the outside. Now the problem with this job, it's on the 3rd floor of the building in central London. So you can only imagine the cost on the scaffolding, but we should be able to do everything from the inside. And here is a reference to one comment where somebody mentioned about safe working. So I made sure I got my volt stick this time, just to prove I'm working safely. I know the power's off, but I just used the volt stick to make sure that the power is definitely dead, especially on an older system, and especially for what you're gonna shortly see, because somebody's taken the circuit board out, tried to fix it, and then chuck it back in. Literally. Spread it up here because I couldn't remember how to get the case off. Finally got the case off and you see, look, they took it all apart and I thought, I wonder if some of these connectors are broken. Probably are, because if the circuit board's just been chucked in like that, I'm pretty certain it's broken. But let's have a go. So there we are. Took it out and I thought I'd inspect it, see if you see any obvious burn marks. And I couldn't really see one too much. I think this particular boiler is a bit older spec. I think it's 2014. Yeah, 2014. You can see where it says 1014. So I'm guessing it might have just burnt out. It's had its day. It's about 10 years now. So I was able to pop it back in, get the majority of it. And then you see that connector was broken. I was like, yeah, that's supposed to be connected to the board. It's on the only white clip that comes out. I think that's a connector to the thermistor. And then there was also another connection. I don't think I recorded it here. Yeah, that one. Yeah, see, it was just completely loose. Supposed to plug in nice and tight, and it wouldn't even plug in. So I didn't even bother turning the power back on because I thought I might. So this is the fuse board that they have here. See, there's some spaces on here. And I'm actually in the bedroom at the moment. So there's options to go up or to go down underneath the carpet. We can keep it tight. Okay. Come around through the door. In here it's just the gas pipe. So you may want to come through here, which is just on the other side of the bedroom. And here's the floor. So we definitely lift up the floor, run the pipe on the floor. Or you can run it in this boxing if you want to try to get access to the boxing if you want to. And then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say about a 10 or 12 meter run to the boiler. The boiler is hidden behind some boxing here. And yeah, we'd need it in this vicinity. Obviously at high level would be better. But this vicinity would be good, and that's all the controls there. So we're looking at about 10 or 12 meter run to this point. And that's the other side of the cupboard with the fuse board just being on that side. You can either go underneath the floor here or try and keep it tight. They've already got a piece of boxing here exactly coming from that direction, so you may want to reuse the boxing, the conduit they've already used to then get to this point.